Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Taryn, and I make videos about cleaning, decorating, and mom life. In this video, you will see me clean up for the evening. I'll be cleaning up the living room and the kitchen. I'll then be packing for a trip. And a couple days after that, I took a trip to Target, which I took some video of. I was perusing the spring and Easter decor, so of course I had to share that with you. And then you will see me clean my baby Magnus's room. I did recently get a mic, so if you notice that this voiceover just sounds pristine and crisp and perfect, please let me know. If not, that's a bummer. But hopefully now my sound quality will be so much better. Unfortunately, on this particular evening, I did not tackle that massive pile of laundry. We really need to work on that. It just piles up, it gets washed, and then it gets thrown on the couch, and then we never really get around to folding it and putting it away. I need a solution. If anyone has any ideas about how to not let that happen, please let me know in the comments. Over in the kitchen, I'm putting things away. I'll be loading up the dishwasher, making sure that the countertops are cleared off and everything is ready and tidy for the next day. I have really gone back and forth about what the volume should be on the music. Please let me know, is this a good volume? Do you want the music louder? Are you listening for my voice and commentary? Are you listening for the background music? What's really helping you stay motivated? Because that's what these videos are for. When I vacuum, you will see that my baby is wearing little noise-canceling headphones. They're so cute, and I like to put those on him because I just want to know that his ears are protected from the noise. For this portion of the video, I am wearing my baby in a carrier. I really enjoy doing that, and lately he has been teething, so he's a little bit clingy and needy, and I don't mind it at all. If I put him down to play, he ends up needing me in a couple of minutes, or if I put him down in his bed, he ends up fussing. So this is just best for everyone. I wear him in the carrier, I can still get things done, and he's happy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps me out. It lets me know that you are enjoying my content and that I should make more videos just like this.
there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
I also
It's
vacuumed
been way too
the staircase and the upstairs
long.
hallway. I try to
If I can
vacuum some
lay
part of the
down
house every
beside
day
you,
because we have a
I
dog.
would,
He's super
I
furry,
would.
and just in general, I think
When
it's a good
nothing really
practice.
matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay
When
down
I was packing,
beside
I tried on
you,
this top really
I
quickly. I
would,
got it
I
from
would,
Amazon. I ended up not wearing it on my trip, but I am keeping it.
I would.
On Tuesday, I had to stop by Target, so of course I checked out the decor. They did still have some cute Easter things, but I don't think I'm going to buy any more Easter items right now. I would only buy something that's more for spring that I can leave up
Love
through
to
April,
hear
May,
your
and maybe even
voice,
June.
not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you.
I really loved these. They said they were chargers on the tag, but I would say they're more like placemats, and they were only $6 each. I really want to go back and get a few because I can't stop thinking about them. I think they're great.
That ain't changing.
I know I said I wouldn't get Easter decor right now, but how cute are these eggs? They have a candle inside.
When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
On this particular day, the home decor section was so pristinely organized, I had to take video of it for you.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside
I
you,
thought this little sailboat was so cute. I definitely want to get something like this for Magnus's room because we are doing a nautical ocean kind of theme.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Now it is time to clean Magnus's room. I never got to do a deep clean in this room before we set it up for him. It was just the guest room, and then one day we decided actually he should have his own room. So I never got to really deep clean, and I wouldn't say this was a full deep clean, but I did try to get the baseboards and in all the nooks and crannies I could reach.
When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
I finally got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner in the peony scent. And let me tell you, it is absolutely delicious. It does not disappoint. If this were a perfume, I would spray it all over my body. This is not a disinfectant, so I don't know if I would use it in a kitchen or a bathroom, but it is really nice to use in a bedroom or a living room. It leaves such a beautiful scent everywhere.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, could lay down beside you, I would.
Both of these are diaper pails, but the
When
white one we
nothing
use for
really
diapers, and the gray
matters,
one is where
that's
we
all
put
I
Magnus's
wanna do.
laundry. We realized
I
that his
want you
laundry sometimes
safe
stinks
and that
because
I will
all
see
kinds
you
of things get
soon.
on it
If I
and it
can
just
lay
smells.
down
So we started
beside
putting his
you,
laundry
I
in a
would, I
diaper
would.
pail, and it is so much
If I
better.
can lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave
Finally, I am going to tackle some of this laundry. And we are also back to baby wearing. I had a really hard time folding things nicely with him in the carrier, but I'd rather get it done messily than not done at all.
Your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.
You'll notice that I'm not folding all of these towels. I'm throwing some to the side because there are actually quite a few that are stained or are damaged, and we shouldn't really be using them when we take a shower. We'll just put them aside, and we like to call those dog towels, meaning if the dog gets a bath or is out in the rain, those are the towels we use to wipe the dog off.
No, have me by your side when the sun sets.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this motivational. I hope that it helped you conquer something today that you really didn't feel like doing, but you got it done.